Imagine flying through thick clouds. You can't see a thing outside. How do pilots stay safe? The answer, the six-pack, a set of 6 essential cockpit instruments. These gauges tell you your speed, altitude, attitude, heading, turn quality, and climb or descent rate. They're not magic, just clever physics and engineering. Today we'll break down how each works and why they're your lifeline in the sky. We'll open up each instrument piece by piece to reveal the science that keeps pilots oriented. This is the secret to not getting lost in the clouds. First up, the Airspeed Indicator, your speedometer in the sky. It uses the pitot-static system. A tube faces into the wind, capturing air pressure as you fly. A separate static port measures ambient air pressure. Inside, a diaphragm expands with the difference in pressure. The faster you go, the more it expands. Gears translate this movement into a needle on the dial, showing your speed in knots. It's a direct physical readout of how fast you're moving through the air. Simple, reliable, and absolutely essential. That's how pilots know their true airspeed, even in zero visibility. Next, the attitude indicator, your artificial horizon. It's built around a spinning gyro that resists changes in orientation. The gyro stays fixed, while the plane moves around it. The display shows a miniature airplane against a blue and brown background, mimicking the real horizon. When you bank or pitch, the symbol moves, giving you instant feedback on your attitude. No electronics, just pure physics and precision mechanics. It's the pilot's best friend when the real horizon disappears. To know your altitude, you use the altimeter, a barometer tuned for flight. As you climb, air pressure drops. As you descend, it rises. A sealed metal wafer inside the instrument expands or contracts with pressure changes. This movement is amplified by gears and shown as altitude on a dial. 3 hands indicate hundreds, thousands, and tens of thousands of feet. It's a direct translation of air pressure into height above sea level. Simple, mechanical, and vital for safe flying. The turn coordinator tells you if you're turning and if you're doing it right. A tilted gyro senses both roll and yaw, moving a little airplane symbol to show your rate of turn. Tick marks indicate a standard rate turn, 3 degrees per second. Below, a ball in a curved tube, the inclinometer, shows if your turn is coordinated. If the ball's centered, your turn is smooth. If not, adjust with the rudder. Step on the ball keeps you balanced. It's a simple, visual way to fly smooth, safe turns, no guesswork, just physics in action. To know your direction, you use the heading indicator. Unlike the magnetic compass, it's stable and precise thanks to a spinning gyro. The gyro holds its orientation while the plane turns around it. Gears rotate the compass card, showing your heading under a fixed mark. It's not perfect. Friction and Earth's rotation cause drift, so you periodically realign it with the magnetic compass. But for steady, accurate navigation, it's indispensable. It's your reliable reference for staying on course. Gyro power beats compass quirks every time. The vertical speed indicator, or VSI, shows if you're climbing or descending and how fast. It measures how quickly static air pressure changes. A diaphragm reacts instantly to pressure changes, while the case lags behind due to a tiny calibrated leak. The resulting pressure difference moves a needle, showing your rate of climb or descent in feet per minute. It's a real-time rate of change detector. Smooth climbs and descents start here. All from a clever use of air pressure and a slow leak. That's the six-pack, a perfect blend of physics and engineering. Airspeed, altitude, and vertical speed use air pressure. Attitude, heading, and turn coordination use gyros. Together they give pilots a complete, reliable picture, even in total darkness or cloud. These instruments are the backbone of safe flight. Mastering them is the first step to understanding how aircraft really fly. Next time you see a cockpit, you'll know the science behind every dial. Fly smart, stay sharp, and see you next time in the sky.